जी
जी, जी।
FIR। परिवार चलाता हूँ। मेरा लड़का बैसाखू भी रिक्शा चलाता है। मुद्दई बचैया उर्फ रमेश रिक्शा किराए पर लेते हैं। कल सुबह मेरा लड़का रिक्शा चला के गया, घर नहीं आया। आज सुबह करीबन 10 बजे बचैया व अर्जुन उसे टूटी फूटी हालत में घर लाए। तब लड़के ने मुझे व घरवाली को बताया कि बचैया के 3 दिन का किराया 45 रुपए देना बाकी था। इसी बात पर बचैया कल रात बातचीत कर स्टेशन
देखिए
के
मैडम,
पास से यस लॉर्डशिप,
we propose to convict them under section 304 part 2
यस
with
लॉर्डशिप।
5 years imprisonment. 2 साल हो चुके हैं, 2 साल बचा हुआ पीरियड इनको गुजारना पड़ेगा। आपको कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लीजिए।
लॉर्डशिप
बहुत ही पुअर क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन है, कुछ पूछा ही नहीं, कोई एनिमिटी का सजेशन नहीं, कुछ
यस लॉर्डशिप।
ट्रायल
जो
बीन वेरी पुअरली कंडक्टेड।
इसमें जो इंजुरीज जो ये बोल रहे, जो पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं लॉर्डशिप, लास्ट टाइम मतलब उनने जो कहा है वो डाउटफुल है लॉर्डशिप। मैंने ये देखा है इसमें जो पैरा 22 ऑफ द जजमेंट,
पैरा 22 जजमेंट, यस।
उनका कहना ये कि डाउट का जो है बेनिफिट एक्यूज को थोड़ी मिलेगा, जबकि वो है since evidence of the Fulbati and Suraj is reliable on the point that deceased had told that he has been beaten by accused person, and clearly the conduct of the SHO Anil Vaidya, the investigating officer, has not been fair. Thus, the evidence of parents of the victim is reliable on the point and cannot be rejected on doubt due to faulty investigation. उनके उसके पेरेंट्स की जो उनका कहना ये कि है
का कहना एक चोट आंख पे देखी थी, एक का कहना कान के पास देखी थी,
हाँ,
बट सारी चोटें इंटरनल थी, ब्लीडिंग हीमोहेमरेज हुआ ब्रेन में और उससे डेथ हुई है
लॉर्डशिप। और जो इनका कुछ इनके पास से रिकवरी भी नहीं हुई है लॉर्डशिप।
नहीं, रिकवरी
बेशरम
तो हुई
की
है,
डंडी से
बेशरम की
मारा।
डंडी से मारा है,
हाँ।
लात घूसों से मारा है। इंटेंशन 304 पार्ट 2 में इसीलिए ले जा रहे हैं कि उसका सिर्फ जान से मारने का इंटेंशन नहीं था इनका।
जी। और सर जैसा उन्होंने कहा कि उनके पास से डिसीज के जो है सारे ब्लड कपड़े इन लोग के पास से हुए, और उसके लिए उन्होंने कहा कि वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता।
कहा हमने कपड़े उतरवा दिए थे, फिर पिटाई लगाई थी,
पर
वहां से कपड़े से क्या
पर वो जब वो लेके आए हैं तब पेरेंट्स के पास तो ऐसा नहीं था सर।
वो कपड़े पहनने थे।
हाँ, कपड़े उसके पहने हुए थे।
दिखाएं,
चलिए।
देखिएगा।
तो आज इमिटी का पूछा भी नहीं ना,
हाँ, वो तो मैंने देखे नहीं सर, एविडेंस तो मैंने
पूछा ही नहीं कुछ।
वकील साहब ऐसा लगा कि सिर्फ घूमते हुए चले गए कोर्ट और वापस आ गए। इनके ऊपर बड़े मेहरबान थे।
ने उस पे भी नहीं काम किया सर, FIR पे भी।
The appellants Bachaiya alias Ramesh Kewat, son of Budhai Lal Kewat, and Arjun, son of Ramesh Gotia, being aggrieved of judgment dated 26 July 2000, passed by learned 7th Additional Session Judge, Jabalpur in Sessions Trial number 132/2000, whereby appellants have been convicted under section 302/34 IPC for causing homicidal death of Baisaku, and have been directed to undergo sentence of imprisonment for life with fine of rupees 2000 each, with default stipulation of further RI for 1 year. Next para. Appellants have been brought by the police stop. As nobody is appearing for the appellants, and appellants themselves informed that they have no contact with their counsel. They have been brought in pursuance of the bailable service of bailable warrant. Chali. क्या लिखा? Appellants, and it is informed by the appellants that they have no contact with their client, council, and they are poor persons. We have appointed Ms. Chanchal Sharma as amicus curiae from legal aid. Full stop. Next para. Srimati Chanchal Sharma, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that appellants are innocent. There is no corroborative evidence to corroborate the FIR, which is in the nature of oral dying declaration given by the deceased to his parents, PW three Radhabai, PW4 Poolbai and PW5 Suraj. Radhabai examine हुई है PW3 sir. हाँ हुई है. मैं देख लूँ sir. ये है Radhabai. चलेगा. तो 4 and 5 तो ठीक है.
Yes, Lordship.
Is submitted that wife of the deceased Baisaku, namely Radhabai, PW3, has turned hostile and has not supported prosecution case. Full stop. Radhabai, sorry, wife needs Radhabai, sister of the deceased, has turned hostile. Thus, it is submitted. Full stop. Reading para 22 of the impugned judgment, it is submitted that learned trial court has admitted a fact that faulty investigation was carried out by station house officer Anil Vedya, but instead of giving benefit of faulty investigation to the appellants, the finding of conviction is recorded, which calls for interference and reversal. Next para. Shri Manas Mani Verma, learned government public prosecutor, in his turn submits that the impugned judgment of conviction is based on the oral dying declaration given by the deceased Baisaku to his parents, namely
Poolbai
Poolbai,
and Suraj.
PW4
4.
and Suraj, PW5.
5.
And on the basis of that oral dying declaration, FIR was lodged. Full stop. There is no effective cross-examination to allege any motive of falsely implicating the present appellants, and therefore their conviction does not call for any interference. Next paragraph. ऊपर एक line और लिख देना. Srimati Chanchal Sharma submits that since there was no intention to cause death, but even if the prosecution case is believed to be true, then in absence of any intention to cause death, case will fall under section 304 part 2 IPC and not under section 302 IPC. Next one. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, it is evident that that Dr. N.S. Kokrele, PW7, was examined and he stated that on 14/7/99 he was working as CMO in the medical college. Full stop. Constable Kashiram, number 225 from police station Ranji, had brought deceased Baisaku, son of Suraj Kol. Full stop. On external examination, he had found following injuries on the body of the deceased Baisaku. Full stop. 1 से 9 तक पूरी लिख देना. उसके बाद in internal examination, it was found that blood was present between the skin of the head, full stop. There was fracture on right frontal bone, full stop. There was